Hey there, this is a video walkthrough. It's going to cover everything you need to know before you move on and create your first video with Speaq. Speaq is ready to serve you. All you need to do is to start answering a few questions, and Speaq will do everything else for you. The first step is to choose what the niche will be for your video. This will help the bot customize your video for you, such as suggesting images and video templates relevant to your niche over the next few steps. If your exact niche is not listed, you can choose something close to your niche. Don't worry, the bot will help you choose the right elements for your video later. Let's choose one to give you an example. The next step is to choose what the size the video you want to create will be. For example, feed video is for vertical videos that can be used on most social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and more. Square video is also fine for most of the social media platforms and will be the choice if you have a video with a 1-to-1 ratio. A small note here, you have the option to go back later and change your choice, so don't worry if you're not 100% sure right now. If you hover your mouse over the chat, you will see a small back button appear. This button will show up during most of the steps while you're creating your video and allows you to go back a step. The next step is to name your project. Do this so you can find it in your collection of videos later. Now, this is the good part. Speaq offers 3 different options to help you create your video. You can choose the option step by step. This means that you and Speaq will work together from scratch to create your video based on your needs. If you have an e-commerce business, we suggest using the e-commerce business option. This is the perfect option for e-commerce business owners as it gives you the flexibility to let Speaq grab your photos, text prices, and create the video for you almost on autopilot. You still have the option to change anything during this process. The last option is local business. This option is designed to help local marketers, and it works with any Facebook fan page. These days, all local businesses have a business fan page. Speaq is able to grab all the details for your page, like phone numbers, photos, and other basic details that you can choose from photo albums. The bot will then place them into your video for you. They'll save you a lot of time as it's a semi-automatic process. Something to note: it has to be a business Facebook page and not a simple fan page. Let's explore the first option a little closer, which is the step-by-step process. Now Speaq will offer you 2 options. The first option is Do Your Magic. This option hands over the design to Speaq. Its advanced algorithm will choose the best design for you based on your previous selections. You can still change anything if it doesn't fit your taste. The second option is I want to select it by myself. This option allows you to choose all the video styles yourself, giving you complete control over the creative process. Both options are pretty straightforward, so I will choose the first one for this example and let Speaq find me a video style. As you can see, I can go back and ask Speaq to find me another style if I wish, or I can still ask for it to let me make the selection on my own. Next option that we have to decide on is what kind of photos we want to use for the videos. There are 3 options. You can use our database of stock images and choose between thousands of photos based on your niche. You can upload your own photos from your desktop or mobile device. Or the last option is to let Speaq find you photos based on your niche and previous choices. Let's try the first option. As you can see, an extra screen has appeared next to the chat. Here you can see all the possible options for your video. You can scroll down and see more photos as well. You must select the photos. You're allowed to upload a number of images based on the type of the template that you have chosen, or that Speaq has chosen for you. I select my photos, then I click the Done button on the top of the side screen. One more interesting feature is that you have the option to place your photos exactly how you would like to see them inside the video. This is a perfect way to ensure your video will look exactly as you want. If you want to crop your images, just select the Yes option. Otherwise, you click No and let Speaq does the placement automatically inside the video. As you can see here, it shows you how many texts a template has. You can simply fill in the empty spaces and click on the pen once you have finished. You can clearly see what text goes where. Each text block has a name, so you will always be aware of where each specific piece of text is going. The next step is to choose colors in case you want to customize your video's color scheme. If you like as it is, you can simply leave it as it is. You also have the option to use the default music for the video or upload your own music. If you want to upload your own music, click the Yes button. If not, click the No button. Congratulations! You finished making a video. Speaq is now working on the backend to show you a preview of your video before the file is transferred to our servers for rendering. If you are not satisfied, click the No button. This will take you back through the steps and elements so you can make any changes you want before the final version. Otherwise, you can proceed with the rendering. You can always edit the video after it has finished too. You can find your rendered videos by clicking here on this icon, and you can see the edit button here. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and found it useful.